Tired of your phone dying midday? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate solution to staying charged on the go. This powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh, capable of recharging your iPhone 6 or more times, perfect for long trips or busy days. Imagine having reliable power for all your devices, whether you're traveling, camping, or just out and about. But it's not just capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device, delivering the fastest possible charge. This means your gadgets power up quickly and safely without you ever having to worry about overcharging or slow speeds. Need to charge more than one device? No problem. The dual USB ports let you power up your phone and tablet simultaneously. It's an absolute game changer for couples, families, or anyone with multiple devices that need a boost. What truly sets this Anker portable charger apart is its exceptional durability and Anker's renowned reliability, making it a smart investment. If you're looking for the best portable charger to buy in 2025, grab this essential power bank through the Amazon link in the description. Seriously, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is the must-have electronic accessory that ensures you're never disconnected again.